So let's talk about the systolic murmurs. Systolic murmurs, we have three types. That is pan-systolic murmurs, we have late systolic murmurs. Along with that, we have the last, that is ejection systolic murmurs. In ejection systolic murmurs, we'll start with the example that is most common example, that is valvular, supravalvular pulmonary stenosis. It's a most common example, and along with that we'll talk about the aortic stenosis, and we have example that is like we can use this example as TOF because there is a valvular subvalvular pulmonary stenosis. Along with that we will use the example that is HOCM, that is hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. Along with that we have the second one, that is pansystolic murmur. In pansystolic murmur we'll see the regurgitation. Because of that regurgitation we have examples of MR and TR, that is mitral regurgitation and tricuspid regurgitation. Along with that we have the last but not the least, that is late systolic murmurs. In the late systolic murmur, we'll talk about the prolapse, that is mitral valve prolapse. Why there is late? There is obstruction, that's why there is the prolapse, that is mitral valve prolapse. So just learn these murmurs for the systolic murmur. It will be enough for your whole examination. Thank you so much.